biggest differences between the desktop series and the industrial series for Markforged is the build volume. The desktop series build volume is represented by this blue line I've drawn here, which is 12 inches by 5 inches, and then it would be 6 inches tall in the Z direction. And the industrial series is represented by this entire sheet here, 13 by 10.5 by 8 inches in the Z direction. So this part right here would not fit on the build volume, within the build volume, I should say, of the desktop series. No matter which way you turn it, it's just too big. The industrial series could actually fit 1, 2, 3 of these parts, all on one tray. And the reason for that is because the build volume of the industrial series is actually 3 times the size of the desktop series. The difference is 360 cubic inches for the desktop series versus about 1,100 cubic inches for the industrial series. Another difference between the desktop and industrial series is the resolution. And that can be clearly seen on this part. When you look at these curved kind of swooping surfaces in this area where there's this angle, I'm not sure how much you guys can see here, but you get in there and I mean it is a very smooth surface. Makes a huge difference with the 50 micron resolution. The desktop series, the best you can do is 100 resolution. So on a part like this, when you have these angled and curved surfaces, it really makes a big difference. And if you look at the side of this part, I mean, it is just gorgeous.